Hey everybody, One Empire here. Today I've got another OneWheel video. This one's going to be follow-up from my last one, showing after I installed that Future Motion front foot pad, replacing it to get it fixed. What else did I do to make it look a little bit better? Obviously I didn't change the rear foot pad because I've got something coming. But for now, you can see a 550 or paracord handle on the side there that I made. There's plenty of videos on how to do that, and of course the green Sidekicks HD heavy duty rail protection from Craft and Ride, and none other than the Fang Minis V2.0 from Land Surf. You can see these are the glass filled nylon version, not the billet aluminum, because none of those were available at the time. And it's okay because these are a few dollars more, maybe $20 less, than the aluminum. And they're just as durable, maybe even a little more resilient in some situations. But you can see they're low profile and they look great. Here's a still photo showing of what everything looks like from the bottom. Got those purple float plates. I got a black charging port plug and the stock Vega tire. You can see a little purple aluminum valve stem there, and these shiny HD Sidekicks. That's about it for now. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. One Empire, signing off. Thanks for watching.